Have you ever felt a lack of direction in your work or your life? Or just feel that sometimes life is empty or unfulfilled? The fact is, we all need purpose. Purpose is what gives us our motivation and enthusiasm. Without it, whatever you're doing seems empty. When you have purpose, not only does it actually bring that drive within you, but also when you're doing the thing you're here to do, everything succeeds. So many people are asking, what should I do? But the fact is, nobody can tell you your purpose. It's something that has to be awakened within you. And that's what I intend to do in my upcoming magical membership workshop on finding your purpose. We'll be healing some of the beliefs, negative beliefs and image problems get in the way. But then we're going to look at awakening your powers, your talents, your strengths, and also your deepest desires, so you can really feel what you want to do in life. Once you have that drive back, then you have enthusiasm. You actually know what you want to do, and when you actually know purpose in your life, whatever you're doing is now no longer empty, it's fulfilling. Apart from that, you'll succeed, and when you succeed in your true purpose, that brings true happiness. I'll also be giving a special empowerment, attunement, to actually link you to your soul purpose. So if you're not yet fulfilled and happy and successful in your life, come to this workshop and I'll help you get there.